Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to search for hotels on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go and open Google Maps. And on the top of the screen, there is this menu. And as you can see, there is an option called hotels. Just click on it. And as you can see, it will give you all the available hotels next to you. You can choose from them any hotel that you want. And also you can choose by how many people are going and how many stars is the hotel and things like that. So if you can't find this hotels option here, just click on more and scroll down until you find services and you will find hotels on it too. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.